Consider this phrase: the smallest number not nameable in fewer than 20 syllables. Barry's paradox, when defining the undefinable. Some number must be the smallest such number. There are infinitely many numbers and only finitely many short phrases. So the smallest unnameable under 20 must exist. Call it n. Now count the syllables of our defining phrase. The smallest number not nameable in fewer than 20 syllables. 19 syllables. We just named n in 19 syllables, but n was supposed to need 20 or more. Contradiction. It looks like a word game. It isn't. It exposes a deep flaw in definability. We can't have a precise definition of nameable in k syllables, or we'd define the undefinable. Same lesson as Russell, the liar, girdle. Self-reference plus negation breaks naive systems. Modern computer science uses a Barry-style trick. It defines Kolmogorov complexity, shortest program for an output, and then proves complexity itself is uncomputable. A small word puzzle, a continent of theorems.